seems easy. But unfortunately, as we may heard of, most foreigners know of Indonesia only as Bali. Because Bali is a beautiful place, and of course, who wouldn't want to go to Bali? If I may ask, is there anyone who wouldn't want to go to Bali for free? Is there? Bali is great. There's nothing wrong with Bali. But the thing is, Bali doesn't even represent the slightest fraction of all of the remarkable things that we have in Indonesia. And it is only fair for us to show to them what they're missing out on. And one of the best ways that we can do this is through art and music. Why art, you might ask? Why music, you might ask? Well, ladies and gentlemen, art and music is something that people can enjoy regardless of their